Another gray circle saw. Little small kitchen. We did an aged oak top. We cased everything, or reframed everything on that island in an ebony circle saw. And turned out really, really cool, I think. All of our wild edge work shows up really good, and that Van Dyke brown glaze gets in all that contour there, rolled edges. Really like that piece of top, and this is one of my top selling cabinets right here, the gray circle saw with the Van Dyke brown accent glaze. And they did a nice granite top here to match that gray. I think it looks really good. We did our ebony trim along the top. All of our sides are all solid circle saw. And we do the rustic edge groove where our panel work goes together. Show you a close-up of how that kind of works. All these doors are solid doors. These aren't 1/4-inch panels in here. This is all solid circle saw pine. Insides is a pre-finished birch interior. We edge band all of the 3/4 shelving with the circle saw. I think it turned out really nice. Even our partition here where the refrigerator is, all this is solid circle saw, as you can see. And a neat little detail here, because this is such a small kitchen, we did a shallow small pantry on the end. It's not very deep, but you would be very surprised how much stuff you can get in this thing. I mean, it's amazing. I actually got one at my house, and you can really load those things down. So in a job where you really don't have room for a pantry, it's a good idea to do those shallow pantries on the side of the refrigerator. Okay, and then inside the bathroom, we did a small 36-inch vanity in here. Solid sides. Excuse me. Same thing upstairs. See how these grooves go together? They open and close. You can see that. Just to give the panel work a little bit of a rustic touch. All right, y'all, have a good day. Talk soon.